Sunny. It's sunny outside. Let's go to the park. I don't need a jacket. It's sunny. 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 Rainy. I don't like rainy weather. The ground is wet because it's rainy. 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 Cloudy. It might rain because it's cloudy. The sky is cloudy today. Cloudy. Cloudy. Windy. We cannot play outside. It's too windy. Close the window. It's windy outside. Windy. Windy. Snowy. The kids are playing in the snowy yard. It's snowy and cold today. Snowy. Snowy. Stormy. It's stormy, so we can't go to the beach. The sky is dark because it's stormy. 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 Foggy. I can't see the road because it's so foggy. I lost my way because it was too foggy. 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 Drizzling. I don't need an umbrella, it's only drizzling. It's just drizzling, so we can still play. Drizzling. Drizzling. Downpour. We ran inside when the downpour began. A downpour started as soon as we left the house. Downpour. Downpour. Chilly. The room is chilly. Can we turn on the heater? It's chilly outside. Don't forget your jacket. Chilly. Chilly. Freezing. It is freezing in the car without the heater. Don't forget your scarf. It's freezing outside. Freezing. freezing, breezy. It's not too hot because it's breezy. Let's go for a walk, it's breezy. Breezy, breezy. Drought. The river dried up due to the drought. There is no water because of the drought. Drought, drought. Flood. The school was closed due to the flood. Many people were rescued from the flood. Flood, flood. Misty. The weather is cool and misty today. The road was misty, so we drove slowly. Misty, misty. Lightning. I saw lightning in the sky last night. Don't go outside when there's lightning. Lightning, lightning. Heatwave. It feels so hot during the heat wave. It's hard to work outside in a heat wave. Heat wave, heat wave. Gusty. Don't go out, it's too gusty right now. Don't open the door, it's too gusty. Gusty, gusty. Overcast. I think it might rain, it's overcast. It was overcast, but it didn't rain. Overcast, overcast. Frosty. The road is slippery because it's frosty. It's frosty, so we lit the fireplace. Frosty, frosty. Humid. It's very humid today. I am sweating a lot. I don't like humid weather, it feels sticky. Humid, humid. Hail. It is hailing outside. It was sunny, Then it started hailing suddenly. Hail. Hail. Tornado. The tornado destroyed many houses. The city was hit by a tornado. 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 Tsunami. The tsunami came after the earthquake. The city was damaged by a tsunami. 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 Dew. My shoes got wet from the dew. The air is cool, and there's dew on the plants. Dew. Dew.